Hi guys, how y'all doing? I'm currently at Footscray. I'm gonna get my nails done, guys. Have a look. So I haven't done my nails for quite a while now actually, because I wanted to give them some rest, and they are so long now, guys, and they look gross. So I'm gonna get it done, and also my toenails because they look horrendous as well. I'm not gonna show them to you guys because it's awful, guys. I'm gonna show you my nails, guys. So that's the before, and I'm gonna show you the after. So they don't look really nice, guys. So guys, Mimi is not here. I miss her. She's at my other friend, guys. She's helping out my friend, so that's cool. Lag po siya iya, guys. So at the moment, I've got Daddy with me, so she could look after Paris, guys, while I'm doing my nails. It's only gonna take an hour, so yeah, he'll be good. So that's where I'm going, guys. So guys, that is Paris and Dad are going. So Dad is going to take Paris out for a walk, maybe until I finish. Have a look at my handbag, guys. It's Paris's food bag, and Daddy doesn't want to carry it, so I have to carry it with me. But guys, that's where I'm going. Can you see? Not the gym boxing, but Skin Magic. I don't know if you can see. Skin Magic Beauty Salon. So that's the one. It's pretty cheap, guys. So they've got like barber. They've got everything in one place. We've got nails. Good going. Looks beautiful in here. Sorry?
You want to drink something?
I'm all good. Thank you very much. Wow. So many flowers here, guys. Look at that chandelier. Wow. Beautiful. Have a look at these, guys. Options. OMG. So this is for the shellac for my toenails. I don't know, I'm gonna go crazy. Too many options. And this is for the SNS for my hands. Okay, let's choose. So yeah, guys, I'm still waiting, guys, because they're not busy because there's only one person there, but there's only one person doing the nails as well, so she's not finished with it yet. So I thought I'm just gonna come out and get something to eat, guys, because it is nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had anything yet. So I'm getting some of these Hot Star Taiwanese street food. So I just ordered sweet potato, fries, and what else? No, fried chicken skin. So I'm just waiting because I'm hungry. So hi guys, I just came here to give you an update about my nails. So yeah, earlier today I went to get my nails done, and to sum it up, guys, I was very frustrated and I was very devastated about the service that I received from the salon. It was very interesting, guys, because, you know, with the salon, it's beautiful, guys. I think you've seen it. I showed it on earlier how beautiful the salon was. It's like flowers everywhere, and you know, the ambience of the room was just beautiful, that I thought I'm gonna get a beautiful service as well, but it's the other way around. So I'm gonna tell you what happened, guys. So my appointment was 3 o'clock, so I got there at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Not Filipino time, guys, I use Australian time. So I went there, and she was busy, so I just sat there for a little bit. And because I didn't have anything to eat, so I said, since you're doing, you know, someone else's nails, for now I'm just gonna go and grab something to eat. So I went out and grabbed some, you know, chips and that to munch while waiting. And guys, it was like already 4 o'clock and I was still waiting. Guys, I am a very patient type of person, so I just let it go. I said, yeah, that's fine, that's cool. When she finished with the other lady, she asked if she can go and eat her lunch, and I said, I totally understand it. Like, you know, sometimes in that kind of job they get really, you know, busy, and you know, they don't get time to eat. So I said, yeah, no dramas at all, you can go and eat. I'll wait. So it's like 4 o'clock something, we started my toenails. So she asked me which color I want to get for my toenails, and I told her the color that I wanted, and unfortunately she said like, oh, you know, we ran out of that color. So I said, okay, that's fine, that's all good, let's move on. And you know, I chose a different color. Anyways, she started, you know, like taking off the old shellac on my toenails, and she told me that it's extra $5 for the removal, which is cool. I agreed to that. That's okay, I'm willing to pay $5 extra. And then she started cutting my toenails, guys, like to the shortest level. Like seriously, my nails, there's no shape at all. So she didn't clean it, like, you know, the cuticle and everything. Yeah, so she didn't even shape it. She just cut it really short and then just painted it. And I was like, oh, okay, because you know, when I go to different salon, guys, I get more than that. Like seriously, they get all the masasamang loob sa aking tiil, guys, super. And yeah, that time I was like, okay, I had that feeling already that it's, I think, yeah, it won't be good. I think I had that idea already. Anyways, then next one, she had to actually charge the, you know, that LED light, you know, the thing that you use to dry off the shellac. And then because the plug was actually maybe a meter away from where I was sitting, guys, well, she expected me to sprint and, like, you know, like give her my toes, and she's really far. Like, what was that? Like, it was really bad. Anyways, I did it, guys, just because I am a good person. And so like, yeah, okay, it's ganda, guys. And yeah, it was cool. And then that was quick. So the toes, yeah, went quick. And then, you know, she doesn't talk at all, guys. Like, you know, there's no customer service at all. And then she started doing my nails here. But guys, okay, I'm gonna show you now. nothing happened to my my nails. So I was sitting there and she was on the phone with someone and she was talking in Vietnamese, so I didn't even understand what she was talking about, but she was just holding my hand, guys, while she was talking on the phone. And I felt so awkward because what am I doing here? Like, she's not even cleaning, you know, she was so busy with her phone and she's not even, you know, doing my nails. So I said, okay, can we start now? And then she started filing my nails. And I said, can I please get like an almond shaped nails? Because that's what I wanted for, you know, that time. And she started filing it and she said, oh, is that it? And I said like, oh no, it's not almond shape at all. Like, it was nowhere near almond shape. And she said like, oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what almond is. So I said, okay, so you don't know what almond shape is, and you know, this is your job, you're working in a nail salon and you don't even know what almond shape is. Anyways, again guys, patience. I said, okay, in that case, let's do square nails, like square shape instead. And then she started filing it. And again, guys, she was on the phone trying, like, you know, talking to someone else. And then yeah, she stood up, grabbed her bag, and she was talking to, I don't know, it could be her boyfriend or her husband in the shop. And I said, I stood up, like, I grabbed my bag, I grabbed my, you know, like my camera and everything. And she said like, oh, you going? And I said like, of course I'm going, you're not doing anything to my nails. And then she said like, oh, you sit. And I said like, you know, here's the thing, right? I sat there for a while, you were busy, you weren't even talking to me, you were just like, you were on your own world, not telling me what's going on. And you know, like, it's nearly, you know, 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I got there at 3 o'clock, and you know, it's nearly 2 hours, and you know, I'm not finished yet. So I said like, oh no, sorry, you sit. And I said like, no, you know what, I am leaving. I am happy to, you know, give you, because guys, here's the thing, I got the voucher from Groupon. So I love Groupon. I get everything from there, guys, because it's, you know, amazing, this amazing deal that you can get from there. I knew from the beginning that, you know, I don't think, because it's too good to be true. It's like $29 for SNS nails and shellac toenails, which is very rare. So I thought like, okay, I'm gonna jump into that, because, you know, who doesn't love sale, guys? Like, you know, it's a big deal, it's a good deal. So, you know,
get what you pay.
Yeah, so that's right, guys, you get what you pay. In that case, I think so. That's what I thought. Yes, I said like, you know, I'm happy to give you the voucher, just scan it, but I'm not paying extra $5 for the removal because you haven't done anything to my nails. But, you know, I understand that, you know, this is your business and all that. So I still paid her, guys. I gave her the voucher. So and then I left. I said like, next time, you know, don't do it to, you know, anyone else, and, you know, maybe pay, and, you know, pay more attention to, you know, your customer and whatever you're doing, because we pay, guys. Like, I know it's not much, but, you know, we pay for it. I paid for it, and I expected to, you know, receive some service, but unfortunately I didn't get that. So yeah, it was very frustrating, guys. It's, you know, lesson learned. Sometimes, you know, when it's good to be true, just don't bite the bullet, guys, because you just, you know, you just regret in the end.
The good thing that I rejected your offer.
Yeah, that's right, because I told my sister, you know, you want one voucher as well, because, you know, that's why it's cheaper, guys, than, you know, other places. So when she said like, no, don't worry about it, so luckily we saved that $30. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I think so. I left this with the same nails, guys, because I said if I wait for her to do it, I think she's just gonna ruin it, guys. So I don't want that to happen, because my nails are pretty, you know, like healthy and all, and if she's just gonna ruin it, then no thanks. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna, you know, maybe when I get time, just gonna go to a place that I normally go and get a proper one and be happy with it, because yeah, that was just horrible. Hi guys, sorry, my camera battery died. Here it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. And yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video. As always, I'm very grateful, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I would appreciate if you also hit that like button, guys. And yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.